Hi everyone, I am Diksha K of 10th studying in Arvind International School, and today I am here to discuss about chapter 7, control and coordination. Neuron. The nervous system is made up of the brain, spinal cord and nerve cells are called neuron. This is structure of neuron and parts are dendrite, axon, nerve ending. Synapse. The very fine gap between axon of one neuron and dendrite of another neuron. Receptors. They are sensory structures present all over the body. The receptors are either grouped in case of eye or skin or scattered in case of skin. The reflex action, however, shows sudden response and do not involve any thinking. Reflex arc, a connection of detecting the single form, the nervous and responding to it immediately is called a reflex arc. This is how reflex arc will react. Types of neurons: sensory neuron, motor neuron, and relaying neuron. CNS consists of brain and spinal cord. PNS consists of nerve arising from the brain and spinal nerves arising from the spinal cord. Human brain. Important types are forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Parts of hindbrain are pons, medulla, and cerebellum. Forebrain. It is the main thinking part of the brain. It consists of cerebrum, thalamus, and hypothalamus. The forebrain has sensory regions which receives sensory impulses from various receptors. Protection of the brain and spinal cord. The brain, being an important organ, requires protection. Therefore, it is enclosed in a bony box. Types of movement in plants. Movement depend on growth. Movement independent on growth. Seedling is example for movement depend on growth. Touch me not plant is example for movement independent growth. Types of trophism: phototrophism, geotrophism, chemotrophism, hydrotrophism. Phototrophism. The growth movement in plants is response to light stimuli is known as phototrophism. Positive geotrophic. If a plant grow downwards, it's known as positive geotrophic. Negative geotrophic. If a plant grow upwards, it's known as negative geotrophic. Geotrophism. The growth movement in plants is response to the force of gravity is known as geotrophism. Chemotrophism. The growth movement in plant is response to chemical stimuli is known as chemotrophism. Hydrotrophism. The growth movement in plant is response to water is known as hydrotrophism. Axons. When the growing part of a phototrophic plant detects sunlight, axons helps the cells grow longer. Cytokinins. They promote cell division, therefore they are present in greater concentration in those areas of the plant where rapid cell division occurs. Gibberellins. They are produced in the roots of a plant. They promote stem elongation by promoting cell division in the internodal region. Hormones. A hormone is a chemical messenger that regulates physiological process in living organisms. It is secreted by glands. Glands. A cell tissue or a organ that secretes hormone required for a specific function is called a gland. Characteristics of hormones. They act as chemical messenger. They are secreted by living cells or tissue or organ cells glands. They act upon specific cells, tissue or organs called target sites. They either accelerate or inhibit a reaction. Hormones in the human body. There are different kinds of hormones in the human body. Adrenal glands. The adrenal gland is situated at the interior part of the kidneys. Each adrenal gland consists of two parts, outer cortex and inner medulla. This is how adrenal gland is situated in kidney. Thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is situated close to the trachea in the neck. It secretes a hormone called thyroxine. It regulates carbohydrate, fat and protein metabolism in our body. Pituitary gland. It is a tiny gland located near the hypothalamus of the brain. It is known as master gland as function of many other endocrine glands are regulated by the pituitary gland. Function of pituitary gland. It influences the secretion of other gland like thyroid gland, mammary gland, gonads, etc. It controls the excretion of water from kidneys and contraction of muscles of uterus. It also influences the development of testes and ovaries. Dwarfism. It is condition caused due to deficiency of growth hormone in childhood. Gigantism. It is hormone produced in males. It causes changes in the appearance during puberty. Pancreas. Pancreas is a mixed gland that is both exocrine and endocrine in function. This is the pancreas present in our stomach. Thank you all.